Hey guys, in this video you will see the lash removal process using the cream remover, okay? And here we go. So first she's going to use the Yegi under eye patches to go ahead and tape down the bottom eyelashes so we could try to avoid getting any solution on the skin since it's not necessary. But the solution, it is still safe enough to get on the skin. Nothing will happen, but we just want to avoid it as much as we can, and also to give us a nice white surface to be able to see. So here's the cream remover. And it works really well. And the reason why you may want to use a cream remover versus a gel remover is because the cream remover is a thicker consistency and it's less likely to get in somebody's eye, okay? So way less chance of them being uncomfortable. So we're gonna go ahead and grab some with the micro brush, and that's what that blue thing is. That's a micro brush, and it's lint free, and it's to be able to go ahead and apply. And anytime we're gonna dip the micro brush in the container, we want to follow sanitation rules. Make sure you don't double dip. You throw that one away and you grab a new one to dip back in the container, okay? But we're gonna go ahead and soak it all up just like so, and we're gonna do the same with the other eye, and you're just gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. So now we're just brushing them downwards, and you see how they're already so loose and they're just coming out like that. And the formula is pretty thick so it doesn't go in their eye. But a good trick is to always keep brushing down and down and down. See, we're never lifting and brushing up because we don't want the chance of lifting the eye open and the solution getting in her eye and then she's uncomfortable. But see, we're just gonna keep brushing, and this is actually pretty relaxing for the client. They don't feel anything. There's no burning or tingling, nothing at all, as long as you don't get the solution in the eye. And that's why this formula is a cream formula, and it's the Yegi cream adhesive remover. We'll link the product below, but it's designed for that reason, to avoid any discomfort to the client. Because if you didn't know, or if you may already know, anytime a lash remover gets in the client's eyes even a little bit, I mean, I've experienced it for myself, it really burns. Like, it burns a lot. It doesn't really damage the eye, but it really burns a lot and it's uncomfortable. Like, the client feels like their eyeball is on fire. So that's why it's important to use the cream remover to make sure that it doesn't get in the eye. Now, if you're super careful and you take your time with the removal process, you can also use the gel remover. The difference between the cream and the gel is mainly just the gel is more liquidy, so it may work faster, but it is way more likely for it to get in the eye. So the last thing is we're going in there and we're removing all the 1 or 2 little pieces left with the micro brush to make sure that there's no more extensions left, and there they are. Ta-da! No more extensions, and you can see all the natural lashes are there nicely.